Hello, you guys. I am Andrea Davis, and I am super excited for this class. I have never done anything in the digital video production area, so I don't have anything that I know really about it. I really love photography, and so I'm really excited to take this course and to learn how to do videography because I do love photography so much that I do think I would love videography as well. So, things that I'm excited to learn in this course is just learning how to do it because I don't know how, and that's why I am excited for this class. And also my career goals, I don't really have just one goal. I'm just really excited to get into the graphic designer world and learn how to do it as a career instead of as a hobby, because that's kind of what it is right now, is just a hobby, but it's also something that I'm working towards. I really love whenever I take pictures of somebody and they love seeing the product of it. That is something that makes me really happy, them seeing the product and them being really excited about it. So that's something that I'm really excited about for the future in my career. I'm just excited for people to be excited about what I make for them or what I produce for them. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, yeah, I'm super excited.